Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdikayan. Today let us discuss a very important case which I had in my practice. Sometimes what happens that we are so prejudiced in the symptoms of Mater-Medica, that is for a remedy we have prejudice. If belladonna there is throbbing, there is redness, there is congestion. In calcara floor there is maybe glands, hardness of glands. So we don't think the other side of the remedy, and that's sometimes we fail in a simple case to prescribe the Simlimab. I had a case where the patient suffers from a lot of congestion in the head, or you can say hyperemia in the head, a lot of congestion in the head, and it was because of grief. Now, if you have this symptom, lot of congestion in the head and pain in the head, hyperemia of the head because of grief, then you have remedies like acid phos, belladonna, or coffea, and of course ignitia we have. But let me tell you one symptom further, and then I'll tell you the remedy what I gave. This patient, he told me, sir, whenever I'm angry, जब भी मैं गुस्सा करता हूँ, चिल्लाता हूँ, I'm angry, I'm on rage, and there is congestion and hyperemia of the head. In this condition also we have remedies like belladonna, veratrum, stramonium, and opium. But I will discuss one of the remedies which I used in my practice, and that is Aconite napellus. In Aconite napellus, if you see, there is a symptoms that's congestion or hyperemia of the brain or of the head because of fright or because of grief, or congestion or hyperemia of the head during rage when he's angry. That is also Aconite. How many times we have used this remedy in this condition? As you go further and read Aconite head, there is a typical sensation in Aconite, that is ball sensation. There is sensation of ball in that. The patient feels as if there is a ball in the head. And one of the particular sensation that the patient told me, he told me in Hindi कि डॉक्टर साहब जैसे हम पानी में सर्फ डालते हैं और सर्फ को जम से हिलाते हैं, फिर कैसे बबल्स पट 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 फूटते हैं. That is, when we are putting surf in the water, a tub of water, and then we try to mix the water, there are a lot of bubbles, and then how the bubbles break, this type of sensation I have in the brain, in the head, and that is exactly what is the sensation present in Aconite napellus, and that is bubbling sensation in the head. Never forget that surf water. I can never forget that symptom what the patient told me. Bubbling sensation in the head. I had a case where the patient described a very weird sensation, and that is also in Aconite. He told me, sir, whenever whenever there is strong wind blowing and our papers keep on floating and there is a cracking sound of the paper, that sensation I have in the brain, and that is also given in Aconite napellus. That is crackling sound or crackling sensation in the brain, Aconite napellus. A very important symptom to remember in Aconite napellus head is the patient feels a sensation as if the hairs are pulled. He tell you, sir, the headache is so much, I feel that somebody is pulling my hair. Give time to the patient in your OPD and you will find this sensation, the patient will come and tell you. Now about the perspiration. This is a very important symptom in homeopathy because there are a lot of remedies where there are a lot of different type of perspiration, and then we can prescribe the remedy. In Aconite, the perspiration in the scalp is cold. The perspiration in the scalp is cold, but the perspiration on the forehead is sticky. See the remedy. See the remedy. In Aconite, the scalp there is cold perspiration. On forehead there is sticky perspiration like chamomilla, like cocculus, and like cannabis indica. So this is in short few symptoms of Aconite where I have prescribed Aconite in many of patients with fantastic results. To sum up the case, Aconite have bubbling sensation, crackling sensation, ball-like sensation, hair is pulled. All this congestion because of fright, because of grief, or congestion because when the patient is in rage or during rage, and perspiration on the scalp which is cold, and the forehead which is sticky. And in aconite, these symptoms are very sudden, very fast, and it goes very fast to a very high intense limit. So the potency which I use in these type of cases is 1 m potency. Aconite 1 m potency, I give two doses on the same day. Call the patient after a week, because if the symptoms are fast in aconite, sudden or violent, the result has to be fast. No, the second day or the third day the patient must come and tell you that he is feeling much better. This is how you have to judge the potency of the remedy. So aconite 1 m, 2 doses the same day. Call the patient after 2 days and you will find magical results of aconite. So this is, my friend, in a very short, symptoms of aconite head which I have seen in my practice. That's what I am sharing with you. If you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.